Once you have converted the file to FileMaker, the first thing you have to do is examine the data in table or list view. You are looking for columns where the same value appears multiple times. These columns are all candidates for normalization, but the likelihood is that only one or two will require normalization, with the others using value lists with those values. In this example, all the columns that need to be normalized are bordered in green, ones that should have value lists are in blue, and ones that could be either are in red. Take your time and examine the data carefully. The columns that require normalization are ones where you want to use as the parent in a relationship to the data itself. In this example, we would normalize plant and department. All the others, with the exception of date, will be converted into value lists. We use these to ensure consistency of data entry as well as eliminating a lot of repetitive typing. Having decided on the columns we want to normalize, we are going to sort each column. Then we export just that field, making sure to group them. This will export one record per option. After importing the data into a new table, we look at the data again. We've got 9 different plants and 9 different departments, but does every plant have all of the different departments or just some of them? More importantly, do we actually need to normalize the departments column, or do we just make it a value list? The answer is we make it a value list. It's important that we normalize plants, making it apparent to the data so that we can see all activity related to each plant. Departments, however, become a subset within the records for a plant. I hope this makes sense. To reiterate, when you are examining the data, you really have to think it through carefully. Sometimes, you will change your mind. The more you do it, the easier it will become and the faster you will be able to do it.